I woke up this morning, checked my bank account, and saw $562 had been added overnight. And I didn't lift a finger. Not an email, not a call, not even a single task. Just money appearing magically. Sounds unreal, right? But here's the truth. It's not magic. It's called passive income, and it's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Hi, I'm Sam. In this video, I'll reveal 5 passive income secrets nobody talks about in 2026. These aren't the old tips you've already heard. No, invest in the stock market and wait 20 years nonsense. These are actionable, modern strategies that can make you $500 plus a month starting today. And some of them require almost no money or experience at all. Stick around because these are game changers, and one of them might completely replace your 9-to-5 income over time. Let's be real. Most of us are tired. Tired of working 40-plus hours a week, barely making enough to pay rent, bills, and sometimes struggling to save. And the worst part? Even if you get a raise, inflation eats most of it up. That's why passive income is so powerful. It lets your money, skills, or ideas work for you instead of the other way around. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sam, passive income sounds complicated. Don't you need a huge investment or special skills? Not always. That's why I'm focusing on strategies that anyone can start in 2026. I've personally tested all of these methods, and I'll break down how much time, effort, and money you need for each. I'll also share mistakes most beginners make so you can avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which method fits your lifestyle. You'll know where to start, what to expect, and how to scale it. You might even find yourself thinking, why didn't I start this sooner? So, grab a notebook, get ready, and let's dive into the first secret. Secret number 1, digital products and mini courses. This is by far one of the fastest ways to earn passive income today. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a fancy degree. You just need knowledge about something people want to learn. For example, gaming tips or tutorials, fitness routines, budgeting hacks, productivity systems, art, design, or software tutorials. The key is solving one specific problem. Don't try to make a 10-hour course that covers everything. Make a short, focused course that gives results quickly. Here's how I personally do it. I pick a small niche like how to edit YouTube thumbnails fast. I create a 30-minute video course, add a PDF cheat sheet, and upload it to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. Now imagine this. You price it at $20. 100 students buy it. That's $2,000. And after the initial setup, it's completely hands-off. The platform handles payments, downloads, and even refunds. You just collect the money. Common mistakes beginners make: making the course too long. People want quick wins. Targeting a saturated topic. Instead, find a micro niche. And poor marketing. Upload and hope won't work. Promote in Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and social media channels. Focus on solving one problem, and you're golden. Use free tools like Canva or Google Slides to make your course visually appealing. You can even record your screen with free software like OBS Studio. And here's a little-known trick. Bundle your mini course with a digital PDF guide. People love extra value. It makes them feel they're getting more for their money, increasing your sales rate. Also, don't underestimate the power of feedback. Ask early users to give reviews, testimonials, or suggestions. This not only improves your course, but also boosts credibility. Social proof drives sales more than you think. And over time, you can even update the course for free, keeping it relevant so old content continues to earn new money. Some of my courses I made 3 years ago are still bringing in $100 to $200 monthly without any effort.
Secret number 2, print on demand. You've probably seen funny t-shirts, mugs, or stickers online. What most people don't realize is you don't need to hold inventory or ship anything. Platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Merch by Amazon handle everything. You upload a design, set your price, and they do the rest. Now here's the hack most beginners miss. Find micro niches. Instead of making a generic funny t-shirt, try cat mom quotes, gamer dad hoodies, or plant lover mugs. These small audiences are hungry for specific content, and competition is lower. One viral design can make hundreds or thousands per month. Step-by-step approach. Brainstorm 20 niche ideas. Check the market by searching for keywords on Etsy or Amazon. Create simple designs using Canva. Upload to 2 to 3 platforms. Promote on social media or niche groups. Common mistakes: copying popular designs, legal trouble; making the design too generic, low sales; ignoring SEO, use keywords in titles and tags to get discovered. Pro tip: reinvest part of your earnings to hire designers. You can scale to 50+ designs without doing all the work yourself. Over time, this can become a full, passive merchandising business. Another tip: seasonal trends matter. For example, Christmas mugs, Halloween shirts, or summer beach designs sell massively at certain times. Track trends with Google Trends or Etsy bestsellers. This can increase your earnings without extra effort. Even one viral seasonal design can bring in $500 to $1,000 in a few weeks. Secret number 3: dividend stocks or micro-investing. Don't let the stock market intimidate you. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, Acorns, or M1 Finance allow investing with as little as $5. The key is choosing dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that pay you a portion of profits just for owning the stock. Think of it as rent for your money. For example, I started with $500 and chose 5 dividend stocks. The dividends alone now give me around $30 per month. Small, but that's the start. Compound it, reinvest dividends, and within a few years, that $30 grows to $300, $500, or more. Step-by-step beginner guide. Open a micro-investing app, research top dividend stocks. Apps usually show dividend yield. Start small, even $50 monthly works, and reinvest dividends to compound growth. Common mistakes: chasing high yields without research, high risk; selling too early, dividends work best when you hold; ignoring diversification, don't put all your money in one stock. Pro tip: look for ETFs that focus on dividends. They reduce risk and give you a diversified portfolio automatically. This method might seem slow, but it's completely hands-off once set up. It's also scalable. Add more money over time and your passive income grows exponentially. A little extra tip: automate your investing. Most apps let you set recurring monthly deposits. This not only keeps you consistent, but also uses dollar-cost averaging, meaning you buy more shares when prices are low and less when prices are high, maximizing growth over time. Even $25 a week adds up significantly over a few years. Secret number 4: niche websites or blogs. This is a classic passive income strategy that still works extremely well in 2026. The trick is picking a small, specific niche with demand but low competition. Examples: eco-friendly travel tips, budget gaming setups, or indoor plant care for beginners. Once you choose a niche, create content consistently, articles, videos, or both. Monetize via ads, Google AdSense, Mediavine, affiliate marketing, Amazon niche products, or sponsored posts. It does take effort up front, usually 3 to 6 months, but once your site gains traffic, it starts earning money automatically.
Step-by-step approach. Pick a niche using Google Trends or Ubersuggest to find topics with high search volume. Buy a domain and hosting. Publish 10 to 15 high-quality articles. Optimize for SEO, keywords in titles, meta, and headers. Monetize with ads plus affiliate links. Promote on social media, forums, and Reddit. Common mistakes: choosing a saturated niche, harder to rank; ignoring SEO, no traffic equals no income; giving up too early, it takes patience. Pro tip: outsource some articles to freelancers for $10 to $20 each. You can build a blog without writing everything yourself. Extra tip: add email capture forms to your blog. Build a small email list. Even 100 subscribers can generate sales for affiliate products or your digital products.
Emails are one of the most powerful ways to monetize traffic because people who subscribe are already interested in your niche. Secret number 5, affiliate marketing. This is one of my personal favorites because it combines your audience with products you trust. You earn a commission when someone buys a product through your link. How to start? Pick a platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. Choose products you know and trust. Create content that solves a problem or teaches something. Add affiliate links naturally in your content. Example: tech enthusiasts can review gadgets and link them. Fitness fans can recommend supplements or gear. Gamers can share tools, subscriptions, or accessories. Pro tip: combine affiliate marketing with your digital product or niche website. Traffic plus trust equals much higher earnings. Common mistakes: promoting too many products confuses your audience. Lack of transparency: always disclose affiliate links. Ignoring content quality: without value, no one clicks. With consistency, affiliate marketing can become one of the most reliable passive income streams, earning hundreds or thousands monthly. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to make passive income faster. Start small. Don't try all 5 methods at once. Focus on 1 or 2. Automate everything: scheduling tools, auto pay, outsourcing. Track results. Check analytics, tweak strategies, repeat what works. Stay updated. 2026 trends change fast. Keep learning and be patient. Passive income grows slowly at first, but compounds over time. FAQs. Do I need a lot of money to start? No, some methods like digital products, print on demand, and affiliate marketing require almost zero investment. How long until I see results? Depends on the method. Digital products or print on demand can earn within weeks. Blogs and investing take months. Can I do multiple methods at once? Yes, but start with one to avoid overwhelm. Once it works, scale gradually. So, there you have it. 5 passive income secrets nobody told you in 2026. Digital products and mini courses, print on demand and merch, dividend stocks and micro investing, niche websites and blogs, affiliate marketing and side hustles. Each of these has the potential to make $500+ a month, and some can scale to full-time income. The most important step? Start today. Even a small action like brainstorming one digital product or signing up for a micro-investing app sets you on the path. Comment below which one you'll start first, and if you want me to make full step-by-step tutorials for each secret, hit like and subscribe. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a strategy. Take action, and your future self will thank you. Remember, consistency is everything. Even if you only implement 10% of these ideas this week, that's 10% closer to financial freedom than most people are right now. Think of passive income as planting seeds. Water them, give them sunlight, and in a few months they start bearing fruit. The earlier you start, the faster your garden grows. So, stop procrastinating. Pick one strategy today, take that first small action, and watch the snowball effect start to work for you.